Yeah, I'm Johnny from Johnny's Vintage Motorcycle Company. And what we have here, we're going to for sale a 1995 Harley 883 Sportster Hugger. To the best of my knowledge, this bike's 100% stock, but I don't know these that well. Original paint. We got a few marks. I'm going to tell you all about the bad stuff. There's a few marks in the seat right here. We're going to try to spot that in a little bit. We're going to clean the seat up a little bit more than it is. We got a little nick here in the fender. And over here we got a couple nicks that looks like have been spotted in at one time. The overall condition of this bike is wonderful. We're going to fire it up here for you. We'll let you hear it run. We need to give it a good cleanup because we're going to ride it up down a driveway in the rain. The only downfall on this motorcycle is the speedometer does not work. It shows 11,000 miles as actual. However, this does not work. We are shopping for a speedometer right now, and as you can see, it's dirty. We're going to clean it up and give it a nice detail. But we just going to show you the raw bike as is. It's in really good shape. The tires had just been replaced, I'm sure. Nice rubber. Very nice bike. A nice beginner's bike for a lady or someone with short legs. As I can sit flat-footed right on the ground. So this is pretty cool. The bike is perfectly cold. I'm going to put it on reserve. The choke is over here on the left-hand side. So we got the choke out all the way. I don't know how much gas it has in it. It's got gas. So, and the gas tank looks nice on the inside. So I'm going to start this up. As soon as I can figure out how to put the gas cap on. I'm not used to new modern things. Now also, we have on this side of the bike, we have a real small dent in the tank. And you have to really look for it. And it's right here where my finger's at. It's there, but it's very hard to see. Okay. Key switch is on. So as we said, we're going to detail this bike out, and if there's anything that needs a little cleanup or something, we're going to put probably a couple of hour cleanup on it, make it really nice. And what we like about these is it has motorcycle racing here. We're going to be offering this for sale, so if there's interest, give us a call. And thank Thanks for looking at our stuff. Okay. Very, very, very nice stock bike.